How to sign up for Sweat Wallet account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, install Sweat Wallet application from your App Store or Google Play Store. Then just launch it. Now over here you can see various options. You can tap on more login options in order to see various information such as I have an activation email, or you can even continue without the activation of email. Now you can read all these information here. Now just go back. So one thing you have to note down is that you have to download Sweatcoin application in order to continue with Sweat Wallet application. Now over here you have the options given. So for now I'm just going to tap on sign up with Apple, enter my passcode. Okay, now let's wait for a while. This process may take some time. Okay, now just tap on allow motion and fitness and tap on share step data. Now turn on the toggle for steps and just tap on allow. Wait for a while again. Now just tap on yes please. Tap on allow. Okay, now you have to opt into crypto in order to process further. So just tap on this option which says opt into crypto. Then just tap on next. Tap on next again. Tap on opt in now and you have to enter your email address and just check your email for the verification code. Enter it over here. Okay, now just tap on open Sweat Wallet. Just tap on open here. Now just tap on login with Sweatcoin. Okay, tap on approve login. So over here, in order to log in to your Sweat Wallet account, you have to walk a few steps in order to process with the login. So by following these steps, you can successfully log in to Sweat Wallet. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.